Hello，大家好，歡迎到亂噏44嘅 podcast，一個講生活、講文化、講年輕人點樣喺英國成長嘅 podcast 啦。咁今集 Uni 101有我同埋Joan 去講關於 Uni 嘅嘢啦。咁 OK 喺開始呢一集之前 disclaimer 一下先。咁如果你真係想去揾一啲嘅留學資訊嘅話，或者好 detail 地講每一間大學係點樣嘅話，我非常之建議你去揾一啲嘅留學 agents，rather than 喺度相信我哋片面之詞。OK，咁 yeah，anyway，let's fucking go，shall we？ So yeah，how are you, bro?
I'm good and good. Thank you. How you
Oh
doing?
yeah,
You
really good.
pretty
So
good. So
yeah,
year 12 this year, right?
yeah, year 12 this year, pretty rough
Okay.
after
Okay,
GCSE.
tell me more about what's going on for you right now.
咁我而家就喺度讀緊書啦，讀緊呢個 A level 嘅 business 同埋 A level 嘅 drama 啊，同埋仲有 B.Tech 嘅 music production 啦。咁 OK，in case 大家唔知咩 B.Tech basically 係就係一個嘅 quality 啦，係 equal 一個嘅 A level 嘅。咁但係純粹佢係會冇考試嘅，佢全部都係用 coursework 嚟去評分嘅一個嘅。board 可唔可以話 board 呢個考試方法啦？咁 yeah，相信其實可能香港未必有咁多部分嘅嘢咯，因為其實我以前喺香港冇聽過。咁但係 yeah，I mean 我自己覺得係一個幾特別嘅讀書方式啊。咁 yeah，講到去uni 啊，咁你以前係有咩 uni 嘅經驗咧？可唔可以分享一下？
我啊，咁分享下少少啦。咁我就讀 physio 嘅，咁我 Coventry 讀嘅。咁我覺得即係當初點解揀 physio 咧？其實我真係即係其實唔係好清楚 exactly physio 係點樣嘅。Like in UK wise and Hong Kong wise, it's like in high school, I just like science a lot. I do biology, and I got like decent grades on it. So that's why like my friends and parents told me, oh, just pursue something in healthcare, right? But I think like in uni, like how I felt about the course, it changed a lot. It's definitely something that I found passion in while studying. It did not. It's like 即係我未開始讀嗰陣時咧，其實我即係 like I'm not really into it. But it's after when I did some placements, I just fell in love with the course. So I say it's quite a unique experience during uni.
So why do you think it make you fall in love with that industry? So what is the trigger to make you to fall in love
I
with
think it just like it really matches my personality. Like being in healthcare, right? You get to talk to patients, you get to tap into their lives, and you also get to help them and make a meaningful change. And that's what really align with my personality a lot. Like I love hearing the stories. I like connecting with them and putting effort to help them make a meaningful change. Really felt very rewarding, accomplishing, and that's really why I fell in love with this course. Yeah.
So yeah,
Cool.
uni is
How about you,
definitely
Ryan?
how about me. Okay.
Like yeah, like you said you like media, right? You did drama, right?
Yeah.
So did you grow up doing drama, or is this something that you got into while studying in UK?
I think it is kind of a extension of YouTube, really, because I was used doing
Okay.
YouTube when I'm coming to England, and then after that,
Mm,
and I just have thought that I will do film, but film isn't taught in GCSE most schools, so I do drama.
I see.
Yeah, but it doesn't really
Okay,
relate,
okay.
to be honest. It's theatre. Drama is studying
Mm,
theatre, not really like but
gotcha. And are you trying to pursue something drama or and media related in uni?
I think probably media or business. Because to be honest, 其實咧做演藝業咧，一係咧你係賺好多錢嘅，
嗯
but it's like 錢問題。
嗯
But I mean that's reasonable consideration
got
for
you
me。
got you。
係
So it's
咁
more about like the money side。
yeah，business 就係咯，但係呢個
I see I see。
係咯。I mean，我覺得其
嗯
實我自己 at the end of the day 嘅夢想都係去整一套我自己嘅電影，或者整一套自己嘅嘢。
OK，
Yeah，that's cool。That's I
熱
mean
血幾熱血幾熱血幾熱血 cool。
yeah，but I mean what's the odds？I mean yeah，but 我係啱啱講到去 uni 啦，咁對嚟講 uni 對你最大嘅影響係咩？你覺得成個人 in general 讀完大學嘅你有咩改變咗？
我覺得係個睇法唔同咗咯，對人啊、世界啊同埋身邊事啊。第二樣嘢我覺得唔同嘅係個性格會唔同咗咯，即係我覺得雖然因人而異嘅，因為你上咗大學一定經歷好多唔同嘢噶啦。咁我覺得先講下點解我覺得我睇法唔同咗啦，因為我覺得去外國讀書啦，即係一個新嘅環境啦，即係離開我父母啦，即係你自己喺度 kind of 獨立咁樣留學咧，我覺得 it's really experience right。Like you get to meet all sorts of people, right? Like 唔同文化、唔同人種，跟住又如果 and for me, like I did healthcare, right? 跟住 when I go to 實習，like you really get to see all different kinds of people from different aspects of the society. So 即係 homeless 嘅，你會成日見到啦，即係有啲 disable 會成日見到啦。跟住返醫院做嘢嘅時候，即係唔同 profession 啊，同埋即係唔同嘅 work culture，我都係有 experience 到。同埋當你讀大學嗰陣時，你去有好多機會去接觸到唔同嘅kind of 點講咧？即係你例如上妝啊、人啊，係啦，人啊，同埋啲 like in UK right, just too many culture like like even from sports, music, entertainment, like it just 生活上嘅各式各點，即係 like just too much things. That's why I think that's why I really change how I see things.
So 其實我都有啲同感嘅。其實我聽過有啲講法嘅就係，可能如果你去移去一個地方住啊，其實全世界可能最接近嘅就係英國啦，對比香港啦。咁因為歷史嘅原因啦，咁但係其實實際上係咪真係咁相近咧？咁我會話其實都有好大分別啦，即係可能啲人對生活嘅態度、社性咁樣好多嘢。咁移民都變咗做而家近排一個好大嘅 topic 啦。可能你會聽到其他 YouTuber 講，咁我就唔會嘢敘述啦。咁但係其實我唔知我可唔可以話係見證到啦。但係我係差唔多喺呢個移民潮一開始嘅時候，我就嚟咗英國啦。咁去到而家，即係的確都見證咗呢個香港人嘅圈子係越嚟越大啦。咁 yeah，it's pretty cool，I would say。At a way，咁呢啲係第二集講啦。咁，but 你覺得如果要揀一樣，你覺得英國同埋香港最大嘅分別嘅嘢，你會話係咩
In what aspect？即係邊方面先
？All aspect it can be everything。
？Everything。
Like the biggest culture shock。
I think biggest culture shock。即係如果拉翻落大學講嘅話，我覺得係個學習嘅方式好唔同咯。即係即係香港嗰種係比較 kind of 填鴨式嘅，like 跟住我大學嗰陣時係好 encourage 啲 group activity 咯，我覺得即係好多啲開放性嘅 discussion 啊，即係通常都係啲 lecturer 啲老師俾個 topic 俾你，即係可能會 guide 你點樣討論個 topic，跟住就好 kind of 好係好鼓勵學生去 去探索下呢個問題嗰啲正反論點啊，即係邊啲地方，即係啲 grey area 啊咁樣 kind of，跟住呢啲導師會再 kind of guide 落我哋點樣去 kind of 去應對呢啲問題，which is something is very different like back in Hong Kong right like 香港啲傳統教育就係即係每個問題都有 set 答案，你要跟足嗰個答案答，跟住就攞分㗎啦。But here is not that. It's really trying to 培育你 to be a critical thinker, right? So that's one big difference that I find when I'm studying here in UK.
OK，咁我非常之認同嘅，即係可能我而家去到 A level 咯，咁其實佢有好多嘅 project 都唔係淨係。即好似好傳統咁讀書，例如我哋有 EPQ 啦 ，which is 係我哋類似揀一個 topic 去做一個 project 咁啦，which is 係我哋有集講過啦。咁然後之後仲有可能比較上佢嘅 aspect 會比較上，咁佢比較上可能 coursework 嘅 aspect 會比較高啊。每一課都係啦，可能有啲藝術科會比較明顯啦。咁但係可能對比起香港，可能。我唔知香港，but我覺得係比較上自由啲，好似啱啱Joe 咁講。咁 at the way，我覺得呢個都 kind 係一個好處，but on the flip side，呢個都 explain 咗點解可能so-called哇亞洲人讀書咁撚勁，因為就因為呢個原因咯，bro。It's like there's no other reason. It's like
fair enough.
Yeah，
但係我覺得過到嚟，我最 pick up 到係嗰啲 soft skills 咯，即係啲 people skills，即係 like how to socialize，right？like 我唔知咧，即係我對比香港啲課室啦，我覺得係或者可能嗰陣時係中學嗰陣時有少唔同，即係我覺得佢呢度係即係好重視嗰個人際關係咯，即係師生又好啊，學生之間又好，即係我覺得嚟即係覺得即係如果你係。即係我 kind of 講多啲啦，即係我升大學嗰陣時咧 ，I'm kind of like a shy kid，right？ 當然 still 即係覺得要主動同陌生人傾偈，like I need to take a big step to do that，right？And then like I think in the first year like it's really kind of tough，like 即係每次要同即係當住咁多同學面前問老師嘅問題，好似成日都好似壓力咁樣。但係I think as I progress through the course, like I slowly build up the confidence。即係之後我係覺得有問題我唔識咧，我就會問，即係我唔理if it's a stupid question，right？ like 我問咗一次，咁我下次咪唔使再問啲咁蠢嘅問題咯。Like there's no stupid question. It's only it's a matter of whether you want to get more knowledgeable, right? At the end of the day. So I think that's a big difference and it's something that I learned along the way in uni.
Yeah, I mean that's really true. 呢個都反映咗可能英國同埋香港最大分別咧。即係可能如果你喺香港嘅課室，你問咗一個好蠢嘅問題，可能個老師都係笑你噶嘛。咁但係可能去英國，佢老師會好耐心咁喺度話，OK，it's okay, I'll explain to you。咁類似咯，即係有嗰個分別喺度嘅。我覺得係好處嚟嘅，即係 I mean you can't always be smart, right？ 係咯。
You can't, yeah. I think that's a big difference, like in terms of how they teach people.
Yeah. So, 咁我哋可能而家都會見到好多唔同方法嘅學校啦，即係你可能去上 uni 嘅 course，你唔一定要去上 uni， 你就可以去做啦，即係可能會有更加多例如 apprenticeship 嘅 option。去俾你選擇啦，咁喺度想好奇問一問，你覺得點解要讀 uni， 同埋點解你覺得可能其他 option 會比較好啊？如果喺你嘅立場嚟睇嘅話，
我作為個 like a graduate 啦 ，like I did a bachelor, right? Like 我覺得 uni 係it's really a journey, right? It's 即係你除咗學即係除咗你會識朋友啦、network 啦， 即係學你嗰個你 major 嗰科嘅嗰啲 industry 嘅 knowledge 啦之外啦，我覺得其中好重要係點做 research 咯，即係 at the end of the day it's a bachelor， 你啲學士嚟㗎啦，即係去大學會教你點樣睇啲好專業嘅文獻啊，寫論文啊，即係雖然呢啲嘢好 tedious 嘅嘢，但係如果即係你係想即係喺 research 個 field 做多啲，即係 like uni it's a must have process，right？ 但係我覺得好似你講啦，最近其實都興啲 alternative 嘅 pathway 嘅，即係好多，即係如果你問而家英國 local 啲年輕人啊，即係唔係個個都即係一畢業就入 uni 嘅，即係而家有啲興叫 apprenticeship 啊，嗰啲即係師徒制啊，即係睇你咩行業啦，即係我醫療行業，例如你想做 support，想做 physio 嘅，而家佢有好多 apprenticeship 咧，就係俾錢你喺某間醫院度做住 support worker 先。跟住你可以做住佢哋啲輔助性嘅工作，同時俾你 off time 喺大學進修，跟住可能你讀3-4年啊，跟住就可以攞個 qualification 就變一個 qualified physio 咁樣。Like so it's something that is kind of alternative, right? And it's more sustainable and guarantees a job. But at the end of the day 啦，it's really different because如果你有 apprenticeship， you're kind of working already. Like you don't really get to have the time of being a uni student, like to do the networking, socializing, building a hobby, and doing your passion project. So it's a matter of difference. Like, do you want to get straight into work and start working, and get the experience that you only need, or do you want to like 探索下呢個社會，探索呢個世界 at the same time to build your personality? Like that's the difference I'll say.
咁其實我都有聽過好多呢啲講法啦，即係可能，我都聽過身邊好多人就係可能佢哋喺度讀 U 嘅時候先揾到佢可能真正嘅興趣咁寫成，咁當然我揾到啦，what the fuck。咁let's talk about apprenticeship, shall we？ 因為其實我覺得 uni 嘅 topic 咁基本上你可能去 YouTube 揾下可能英國留學啊寫成咁樣類似啦，可能好多嘅agent 啊，寫成咁都其實都 cover 咗好多啦，但係反而 apprenticeship 呢條 route 我發覺其實係真係冇乜人講過。咁OK 簡介下呢個嘅 apprenticeship 先。apprenticeship 係一啲公司同埋一啲嘅 uni 可能佢哋合作，一係整一個課程出嚟，而係同時你喺讀緊呢啲課程嘅同時，你又喺度做緊嘢嘅喎，咁寫成。咁個好處就係好似啱啱Joe 咁講啦 ，guarantee job，that is good。因為其實如果你唔知嘅話，其實英國而家好難揾工嘅咁。
Don't mention it, bro. It's not the good days.
係咯，咁 I mean，全世界
都即係觀眾，即係我覺得如果係學生觀眾嘅話 ，definitely 可以do more research about it. It's definitely something you can consider. 即係 if you just 即係想直接就進入職場啦嘅話，即係可以考慮下。當然應該啲 requirement 就應該就唔同啲嘅，即係咯，即係如果你係 BNO 嗰啲，當然 exactly 就要查詢翻睇你嗰個 post 係點啦，係咯。但係係咯，係it's a very different pathway to uni, but gets you straight into work, right?
Yeah, that's true. I mean， 我而家身邊嘅人其實即係可能佢完咗 A level 其實好多 gap year 基本上。Bro, it's like, I don't know. I think it's probably a good way for you to chill, because basically 你去到 A level 完咗，你嘅成個人生就喺度做緊嘢，唔係做緊嘢，喺讀緊書咁，可以俾你去離開讀書1年，咁我覺得都係一個好嘅 pathway， 但當然唔係一個好 productive 嘅 pathway。如果你想要去 ，you know like build up those stuff，like
其實講到 gap year 即係 foundation year 嗰啲，你有覺得點樣？你冇咩睇法你？
Gap year， 對我嚟講，我就唔會做，因為 time is ticking, man. I mean, I don't have the money, I don't have the
fair enough。即係我覺得即係近年好多香港人過嚟都做 foundation year 嘅， 咁其實我覺得 foundation 即係我雖然未讀過 foundation 啦，但係我覺得好兩極咯。我覺得佢個 experience 即係一係就係點樣善用嗰個時間。Like foundation year, right? It's kind of like you have a lot of free time to do a lot of things. But I think if I did foundation year, I think it would definitely help me a lot。即係我覺得係用嚟適應個環境啦。第一，我覺得即係我覺得讀 foundation year 係即係 really have a good look out for what is the area you're studying in, right? Like 即係啲人啊，即係例如我當初過嚟嗰陣時咧 ，like the whole small talk culture is just so new to me, and it took me a long time to get used to it. So I think doing foundation year definitely helps you trying to know the culture better, and also helps you build a social circle for you that can support your study.
所以咁如果觀眾唔知嘅，咁其實 foundation 咧，佢basically 嘅 quality 係等於一個 A level 嘅，但係佢 basically 就將 A level 嘅 course 所有嘢全部 strength 咗一個 year 啦。咁 basically 你學到啲知識就係 A level 度得到嘅知識啦。咁當然調翻轉，你大概都會諗到嗰一個嘅壞處咧，就係可能比 A level 佢係好講好多，因為佢係課程就係咁多，你要塞喺一年，即係當然好講啦。咁但係我覺得 foundation 好似啱啱咁講，當然有做講嘅嗰啲嘅好處啊。但係同時我覺得，如果你係一個可能諗住備 DSE 或者I don't know，like 如果你係中五嘅，咁你過嚟英國啊，然後之後你喺度諗緊你想做 foundation 定做 A level 嘅話，我覺得其實如果你有嗰個嘅時間同埋金錢嘅話，我覺得 A level 都未必係一個壞嘅選擇，因為始終我覺得 A level 有多啲時間可以俾你去適應英國成個環境咁樣類似啦。咁因為我覺得如果你係真係需要嘅話就可以啦。咁當然如果你本身喺英國讀書嘅話，唔建議你讀 foundation 啦，直接入 uni 啦。Like what if you're originally studying UK? Okay, but anyway，我覺得 uni 都係一個好特別嘅地方啦。咁可能比起你本身嘅學校個社交圈子大好多，成個 year 大好多，可能更加 diverse 事實上。咁當然可能比較中學都可能比較難識朋友咯，會咁講，比較上嚟講，因為始終like 少，but 因為咁呢個係一啲可能有啲觀眾會好奇嘅，就係其實如果你入到 uni 嘅話，你會有咩活動咧？其實有咩活動去玩咧
？OK，其實我覺得上 uni 一定有好多新嘢可以嚟玩下嘅，例如 society 啦，即係睇你咩 U 啦，一定有好多唔同 society 嘅。但係雖然我有啲可惜，即係我中意玩音樂嘅，但係我間 U 就冇乜，唔係好多音樂數啦，即係其實都有嘅，有個 acoustic society， 但係嗰時候我啲怯啦，因為我唔好識唱英文歌啊嘛。咁我就係玩咗吉他冇幾耐嘅啫，咁我就冇呢個 balls 去 join 入去啦，有啲後悔嘅。但係我覺得如果咧係啱啱升 uni 嘅或者嚟緊升 uni 嘅觀眾啦，我覺得真係唔好怯咯，即係有咩新事物咪試下咯。Like you only have 3 years in uni, and time flies so quickly to the point that you don't realize, and then the uni is done already。即係我覺得你有時間就試下咯，即係我大學都試過唔少新嘢，例如攀石啊，試過即係 pick up 唔同嘅 hobbies 啊，即係玩下新樂器啊，跟住即係有時間翻下 part time 啊，即係感受下唔同嘅 work culture 啊，同埋人哋點樣 socialize 啊，或者睇下波啊，人哋即係英國好興睇波噶嘛，即係有時有咩歐國杯啊，跟住可能每4年一次世界賽，我覺得你點都要感受下，即係啲唔同嘅 local event 咯，或者 pub quiz 都要睇感受下，即係 like there's so many things to do in uni, and like I think just don't be shy and don't be afraid to try them, even you like it or not. If you don't like it, then just don't go next time.
Oh damn, yeah,
Yeah,
that's true, man.
that's
I'm
so true,
looking
bro.
forward to get drunk, bro.
You 18 yet?
No,
No.
I'm like
Okay,
18 next
okay,
year,
okay,
man.
okay. Next year, okay. Well, okay, okay,
Good
cool.
luck.
We'll find you next year.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and I would say, be careful, okay? Be careful drinking. That's what I would say. I saw really bad cases, and I won't say much. Okay, bro. I
Alright.
mean, I see a lot of these.
OK，咁 Ryan 啊，咁問下你啦，因為今日升學 Uni 101啊嘛，你有冇其實擔心之後上到大學 media 係唔啱你？有冇諗過？即係可能係你同你 expect 嘅唔一樣。
好老實講，其實有啊。其實我唔知有冇聽過一個講法啦，即係可能有啲興趣，如果你讀咗佢之後，你嗰啲就唔會對你有興趣啊嘛。即係呢個都係我其中一個 concern 嘅。不過好彩我自己嘅 interest 係比較大嘅，所以我可能可以即係避去其他 interest 一陣，然後再避翻嚟。But I think 呢一個都算係我都5-6年嘅興趣，相信都可以繼續落去。
即係你都 very passionate about this。OK，
That's true。
但係有樣嘢就係，即使你有 passionate，但係如果你讀大學個 process 係唔 enjoy 嘅，咁即係好似例如我啫，即係我 enjoy physio 嘅 ，it's because I like the process, like the placement experience I got, I enjoy it, even it's tough。但係假設可能你個 course 個 experience is not that good, or it's not something that you expect。你會唔會擔心，即係揀呢科係唔啱你最尾？
其實有少少，不過其實我反而調翻轉，我驚個部分比較多係可能就業方面咯，即係我唔知呢個 media 嘅行業係得唔得，即係我唔會話 physio 係you must get it, but I think it is a better route. Definitely, it's an easier route to get job, like job security 呢方面係 easy 啲嘅，我咁講。咁
我好明嘅，即係其實我喺你個 age 嗰陣時啦，就 like I don't really have a clue about like job security. Like I just know that that job pays well, and then that's why I got into it. Or like I have a passion in this thing, that's why I do it, right? 即係我覺得不過而家我 in hindsight 咁我睇翻啦 ，like the job market is really bad for me. But it's still something that I still learn all the skills on the way. So it's not a waste at least. It's just like sometimes you can't predict that far, right? So I think when you're at your age, just don't bother about too much about it. Like I think as long as you have passion about it, that gives you the energy. Like 即係如果你有熱情做一樣嘢，你係會 carry on 咯，你有個心去讀落去咯。Like right?
That's really true, bro. That's really true.
同埋I want to share something, right? Like
yeah, sure.
即係我喺度讀書啦，即係不管係 local 又好啦，或者係啲香港過嚟嘅同學啦，即係有唔少人都係 second degree 啊，或者係佢哋 first degree 係讀一啲完全係 non-physio related、non-healthcare related 嘢，可能讀完個 business 過嚟轉學。Like but 跟住我問我啲 friend 啊，點解你哋咁想讀呢科？just want to help people. Like at the end of the day, just passion, right? So 即係我覺得預期揀科你係覺得易讀嘅，揀科係你中意讀咯，我覺得。
That's really true. That's really real, bro. So, okay, on that， 咁你覺得其實揀科，如果 for 一啲觀眾可能諗唔到點樣去揀科，你有冇一啲嘅方法可以令到佢哋可以更加簡單去揀科，或者可以更加好咁樣去做呢啲嘅 decision 咧
？OK， 有嘅嗰陣時，因為我都幾迷茫嘅，幾 lost 嗰陣時，跟住我就 我個學校做咗 workshop 啦，就介紹下點樣揾個人生目標係咪？或者一個理想嘅方向啦，即係去日本有個 concept 叫 ikigai 嘅，即係 kind of like the meaning 啦，意義啦叫。咁佢有4個 criteria 嘅，係 like you want to find something that you enjoy， 即係你熱情啦。something that you can master or progression， 即係你可以 develop 嘅，即係你可以 be confident and competent， 即係有個 progression 啊，就可以升 level 咁樣啦。跟住就係sustainable 嘅，即係點樣？即係可以即係 it pays you well，right？At least you can afford it。Like maybe not pays you well，but you can afford it。OK。跟住最後一樣嘢就係有個使命感嘅，有個 mission 嘅，即係可能去做 healthcare 啊，就可能係幫人啊 make a change in life。跟住可能你做 engineer 啊，就係可能即係 build some city planning or something like that makes a change in society. Like so, there's the 4 things: sustainable, you have passion about it, you can develop, you can progress, and you can what's the last one? Sustainable, pays you well, sustainable, passion, and a mission. Yeah, mission. That's like mission and the mission. Yeah, so I think like 如果觀眾今日睇呢集，我覺得係可以諗下，即係可能你而家讀緊咩科你 enjoy 嘅，即係可能好似你啦，你讀 media 噶嘛，即係 media 嘅，跟住可能media 一定你都好多嘢學㗎，而家即係 like there's too many ways to create content nowadays. There's so many ways you can level up yourself, and then like 做 content， 我覺得做 content 你真係 like you can do a lot of things. You can promote a campaign. You can share story. You can inspire people. 你可以鼓勵人哋，你可以 build your own brand. Like what you're doing today. Like you have a passion doing today. You have a mission today, and it's to share about your story and to 幫助其他喺度讀書嘅學生點樣 like kind of go through this stage, right? So, well, sustainable 呢樣嘢咧就再講啦。但係 ，yeah，like 但係 I'm not saying that， 但係唔係每樣嘢都係可以 hit 晒所4個框框嘅。但係係盡量揾一樣嘢去 hit 到晒咯，即係可能 hit 到晒，即係可以 adjust 㗎嘛啲嘢，係咪先？
係啊。OK， 咁我同時都要講一講，就其實唔係個興趣你都可以用嚟賺錢嘅，呢個都係其中一個好好嘅指標。
講呢樣嘢，我覺得當你 monetize 咗你個 hobby 咧，你會好快咁 lose passion。我覺得。
That's true, man. I mean，
所以 it's always a balance, right? Between all these. So yeah.
I agree. I mean， 可能用做嘅例子啊，可能佢係做音樂啊。你係咪你有冇做 production 嗰邊嘅？
我冇啊，我係玩下音樂啫。但係如果你話即係假設即係我有學琴啦，細個咁考8級啦。但係如果你話叫我出去教琴咧，我估我好快就唔想掂我部琴。
That's true。或
者好似嗰陣時細個讀書係咁。考琴試參加比賽咁樣，其實老實講唔係幾 enjoy 嘅，即係要彈下啲我唔 enjoy 嘅歌，即係我唔會話係玩音樂好悶咯，但係會搞到有少少討厭音樂咯，係直至到我上咗大學啊，自己可以彈自己中意嘅歌曲，我先至覺得即係 enjoy 翻 music 咁樣。
你會唔會覺得呢個係 burnout 咧？你覺得係
？mildly 啦。
I agree.
mildly.
I mean， 我曾經都試過。
It's like 都係一個亞洲學生呢個 ，it's not music or it's sports, bro.
Yeah, I mean that's true. 係咯。Yeah, that's true, man.
Anyway,
yeah. 所以我覺得同時都係你要平衡翻你究竟你可唔可以一直做一樣嘢？即係我好老實咁講啊。 即係其實我自己私底下我有 produce 一啲歌，我覺得如果我將佢做一個工作，可能唔得啦。YouTube 我直情係會唔想做到。你 podcast 我應該係可以 sustain 到，我覺得。其實I like talking，
係咯，係咯，所以即係唔係要一樣嘢，即係冇樣嘢完美噶嘛。即係每一樣嘢可以 hit 晒4個框，啱啱好似講嗰4個 criteria，即係可能唔係幾樣嘢夾埋一齊，kind of create 一個生態圈咁樣。Kind of like, you know, like okay， 即係例如我 I do physio, right? Like it's very rewarding, but I'm not just a physio, right? I can do more than what a physio do. Like I'm still a human being, and I like, yeah. So like 即係可以諗 out of the box 多啲嘢，我覺得。
That's true. I mean 其實都好多都係一兩個嘅歌手以前係做 physio 嘅，例如有 Cashy 啊定咩 I don't know, bro. I'm just yapping about that shit. But I think Cashy is a nurse now. I don't know. Okay, Cashy fan, don't run at me, you know. Okay. Anyway, okay. That's not an important point, I'll say. At the end of the day， 你有冇曾經有一刻係後悔過你自己選擇咧？你覺得？
即係入大學定係讀呢科嚟講咧？
讀 I mean 兩樣都可以嘅。
有諗過即係過嚟英國呢個選擇嘅，雖然 it's kind of like there's a lot of reasons behind it， like 但係點解我有 moment 會成日過嚟諗？點解有冇後悔過嚟？即係覺得因為係唔易嘅，我覺得即係去外國讀書，即係可能係我個科嗰陣時啦，成日返實習啦，即係去醫院啦，即係朝頭早要好早起身趕架火車啦。嗰陣時係即係有少少 burn out， 通常係我去到 burn out 嘅時候咧，就成日諗點解我喺度啊？我喺度做緊乜嘢啊？即係覺得好似每日都喺度淨係生存咁樣咯。跟住但係我覺得其實望翻轉頭，其實我都學咗好多嘢嘅，即係經歷咗咁多嘢，即係人事物啦，即係各種困難啊，知點樣慢慢克服去面對啦。即係我覺得係學咗好多嘢嘅，即係例如心情唔好啊，點樣面對自己啲心情啊，點樣揾人傾偈啊，點樣揾 friend 啊，即係咯，我覺得我唔會後悔嘅，但係係咯，但係覺得呢個係 it's not an easy path, right? But happy life ain't easy life, right? So that's what I learned. Like 即係一定有高高低低噶啦，你即係無論係你香港讀大學又好，英國讀大學好，即係咯，即係 it's definitely a journey you go through if you're going through uni. So yeah.
Totally agree, bro. I mean, that's not right, but yeah， 我都想講，但係其實你一卡要高，好似啱啱做咁講，都要 go through 一啲 obstacle 佢先會去珍惜。I mean， 如果一樣嘢係非常之容易地去得到嘅話，咁其實你都未必會珍惜啦。咁
absolutely
真 man。Yeah, I think that we probably covered all. I think. Do we?
Okay, I think before we end, let me ask you something.
Yep.
As a year 12 student going through A level, what's one advice you would give to also the year 12s or like year 11s? 你係咩建議俾佢哋
？Year 11 我會話就好溫書咯 ，GCSE 都緊要嘅。OK， 我唔會講我自己成績炒到點啦，但係都好炒嘅。GCSE 係緊要。OK，係咯，同埋唔好 procrastinate 太多，即係可能反而你可能要有段時間要做下嘢，唔好 deadline 臨 deadline 咁。It's not that good.
Same for uni, guys. Just say
that's life, right?
That's life. Okay, cool. 咁係啦，咁希望聽到今日嘅觀眾，如果覺得好迷茫嘅話，覺得其實真係唔使太緊張。我覺得 it's listen to your heart. Like there's always more solutions than the problem，like 方法解決方法仲比困難多啊嘛，學習學下嗰句。